And here I have a pack of black magnets. I'm going to use these for keychains and fridge magnets and different things like that. But they come in a pack like this, very strong. Let's see. I have this metal knife here, so you can see how strong they are. They attach very easily, but these are going to be great to attach to like a back of a fridge magnet. You just glue them on. And a perfect size. That's the size of it as it looks in my hand. But great magnets, and you can easily undo them. And obviously, they got the polar opposites. Can't push it on, but flip it around. So anyway, yeah, these are going to be great. Easily used for fridge magnets or just about anything that you want to do with them. But they're going to stick to just about anything. So pack of magnets, this will work great for what I need. Gauder black magnets, yeah, these are going to be awesome. So anyway, can highly recommend these for sure. Check them out.